Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ginger chili pickle. First, select high-quality, fresh ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of green chilies and 1 cup of fresh ginger. Make sure all your utensils and jars are thoroughly cleaned and completely dry to prevent spoilage. This initial preparation is crucial for a delicious and long-lasting pickle. Let's get started with the detailed steps. Now, let's prepare our main ingredients. Carefully peel 1 cup of fresh ginger, then chop it into small, uniform pieces. Next, wash 200 grams of green chilies, pat them dry, and slice them into thin rounds. For a bright, tangy flavor, squeeze the fresh juice from 2 lemons. This acidity is key to preserving the pickle and enhancing its taste. It's time to bring everything together. In a large, dry mixing bowl, combine your chopped ginger and sliced green chilies. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. These spices are essential for both flavor and preservation. Finally, pour in the fresh lemon juice and mix all the ingredients thoroughly until they are well combined. Ensure an even distribution of flavors. Once mixed, transfer your ginger chili pickle into a clean, sterilized, airtight glass jar. This is vital for its longevity. Store the jar in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. For the best flavor, allow the pickle to mature for 2 to 3 days before you start enjoying it. This resting period helps the flavors meld beautifully. Enjoy your homemade pickle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.